My name is Matt Byers. I'm a fourth generation owner here at County Line Stone in Akron, New York. We supply aggregate for all of the construction needs in the market, along with riprap to make stream banks and shorelines more stable. We also supply blacktop to Western New York and the surrounding area. The process begins with overburden. We have to strip that overburden, uncover the rock, and then we blast the rock.
Fire and all.
When we blast the rock, some of the rock is small and some of it is big. Anything that's too big to go through our primary plant, we consider riprap and we leave it in the quarry. And at that point, the Sennebogens take over. They will sort out rocks by size or whether they have to be stackable or non-stackable. The Sennebogens will also handle the loading into the truck. The truckers like it because we don't put holes in their bed, and it's just easier for everybody to load it out with a material handler like this one.
I'm able to load 35 ton on this truck. It takes me between 15 and 17 passes. The former operation, we had a machine designed to be a log picker. It's more for the forestry service. They had a max capacity of about 3.5 ton, whereas this has a max capacity of 7 to 8. The old way took me anywhere from 18 to 25 minutes to load a truck, whereas this takes me anywhere from 10 to 15. So it kind of cuts our cycle times almost in half. The raised cab just gives you more visibility, less blind spots, as opposed to eye level with the top of the trailer, where you're kind of guessing where you're going. I can see where my next rock's gonna go, throw it in there, and just keep swinging.
We pride ourselves on getting the best and newest equipment for our operators so that they're safe, they're comfortable, they're efficient. Jumping from our old material handler to a Sennebogen has been like night and day. One of the biggest things that made us confident is that we got these machines through our local dealer at Anderson Equipment. We have a long-standing relationship with them and we trust them. And the other big thing, at least for me, was most of the Sennebogens I've seen, and I think these two that we have, were originally in scrap yards. The logic is if they can make it in a scrap yard, then they'll have no problem making it down here moving rocks. No difficulty keeping up in the workload, they're reliable, they have great uptime. And when you have these big jobs that are asking for 80,000 tons of riprap, every day is crucial, and that downtime will then disseminate to the contractors all the way down to the guys that are actually doing the work in the field. So it's a lot better when machines are up and we don't have to worry so much about it. Obviously there's other companies out here that make equipment that will do the same thing, but the service, the atmosphere when you're around people from Sennebogen is much better than other places. The president of North America even came out and probably spent 3 or 4 hours with us, and he did a big download to us of all the tools that are available regarding training, parts, maintenance, and everything in that nature. We're a family-owned company. We take a lot of pride in being a family-owned company. It's very important to us. So when we have the opportunity to work with other family-owned companies, it's a win-win for everybody. It's much better than going and spending our money where you don't get the attention and the care that you would get with a smaller organization.